journey. So let's go together on a journey to Aruba, learning my Dushi Papiamento. So today it's class number 1. I have 4 phrases prepared for you. First one is the easy one. Hello. Hello in Papiamento is hello. Hello. Hello Miriam. Hello Pedro. Let's continue to the second one. So the second word in Papiamento you're going to learn today with me is please. And please in Papiamento is por favor. Por favor. Por favor, Grace. Por favor, Patrick. This one is my favorite one and it's I love you. I love you in Papiamento means mi estimabo. Mi estimabo. It's my favorite one because every day I tell my Blanquito, I love you, Blanquito. Paul, mi estimabo. Paul.